Hey everyone, welcome back to English in 5 minutes. I'm Jane, and today we are diving into a topic that we all experience every single day, our morning routine. Talking about what you do in the morning is one of the absolute best ways to practice your daily English because these actions are so familiar to you. However, many learners struggle to connect their sentences smoothly or don't know the exact phrasal verbs that native speakers use naturally when they get ready. But don't worry at all. In just 5 minutes, I am going to teach you the most useful, simple, and essential English phrases to describe your morning from the moment you open your eyes until you walk out the door. Let's get started and kick off our morning together. Our morning routine always starts with the very first moments of the day, and here, there is a fun language secret you should know. Many people confuse the phrases wake up and get up, but they actually mean different things. Wake up means to open your eyes and stop sleeping. For example, I can say, my alarm goes off at 6 a.m., and I usually wake up right away. On the other hand, get up means to physically get out of your bed. So, you can connect these thoughts smoothly by saying, I wake up at 6, but I stay in bed to check my phone for 10 minutes before I finally get up. See how easy that is? Using these two phrasal verbs correctly will instantly make your English sound much more natural and precise. Once my feet hit the floor, the next step is heading straight to the bathroom to freshen up and take care of personal hygiene. To describe this part of your day, you can use very straightforward, everyday structures. You can say, first, I wash my face and brush my teeth to feel more awake. If you love a refreshing start to your day, you can add, then, I jump in the shower to wash my hair. After showering, it is time to focus on your appearance, and another great phrasal verb to use here is get dressed. You can transition naturally by saying, after my shower, I walk back to my bedroom to get dressed, brush my hair, and put on some light makeup. Now that I am completely ready, my favorite part of the morning finally arrives, heading to the kitchen for some energy. To talk about food, you don't need complicated vocabulary. You can use the casual phrase make breakfast or fix myself some breakfast. For instance, you could say, I usually fix myself a quick breakfast, like oatmeal with fresh fruit or some scrambled eggs on toast. Of course, I cannot start my day without my favorite hot drink, so I always add, while my breakfast is cooking, I brew a fresh cup of coffee to help me boost my energy level for the busy day ahead. Sitting down to enjoy a quiet meal is the perfect way to mentally prepare before the real work begins. Finally, after finishing breakfast, it is time to gather my things and head out the door for work or school. To wrap up your morning story, you can use transition words like finally or lastly to show the final steps of your routine. You can say, finally, I pack my laptop into my backpack, grab my house keys, and put on my shoes. If you commute by public transportation, you can finish your sentence by saying, I leave my house at 8 a.m. to catch the bus. Or, if you drive, you can simply say, I head out to my car and drive to work. Just like that, you have described a complete, beautiful morning routine in perfect English without any stress or confusion. See? Describing your morning habits in English is incredibly simple and fun when you use these basic phrasal verbs and structures. Let's do a very quick recap of our essential phrases today. Remember that wake up is opening your eyes, get up is leaving the bed, get dressed is putting on clothes, and fix breakfast is making your food. Now, it's your turn to practice and build your confidence. What time do you usually wake up in the morning? Tell me in the comments below using the phrases we practiced today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English in 5 minutes for more quick, practical daily lessons. Thank you so much for watching, have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you next time.